Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact business WhatsApp account and phone number you'll move. This ensures chat keys match. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi and plug the phone in so the process won't stop. Make sure the battery is above 50%. Next, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and check the linked Google Drive or iCloud account. This is where messages and media will be stored. Perform a manual backup now to capture the latest state before. On the new phone, you install WhatsApp Business and verify the same phone number. This step ties the backup to your account, so don't use a different number. During account setup, WhatsApp will detect a cloud backup and present a restore option. Tap Restore and allow it to download messages first, then media. While it's working, keep Wi-Fi on and the screen active so the process isn't killed. This helps prevent partial restores. If you have large media, expect extra time for full download. After restore, you'll inspect chats and groups to confirm messages and media appear. Open a few conversations to verify. Once satisfied, reconfigure business settings like notifications, automated replies, and schedule a fresh backup to secure the new device. If something goes wrong, first verify you use the same phone number and cloud account. Check available storage and Wi-Fi. If Cloud Restore still fails, consider a local backup transfer, encrypted local files, or retry the Cloud Restore after clearing cache and restarting both devices. That usually fixes restore hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.